Want your engine running at peak performance and using less fuel? Then let's talk airflow and exhaust. To get maximum power, the engine needs just the right mix of air and fuel, and it must ignite perfectly. The camshaft times when valves open and close, but here's the catch. It only works properly if the exhaust gives the correct back pressure. That's the resistance that gases face on their way out to atmosphere. Change one not homologated part, a silencer, CAT or DPF, and you change the system back pressure. That throws off the engine. Wrong back pressure means poor performance, more fuel consumption, and even damage to your emission system, like melted catalytic converters or clogged diesel particulate filters. In Europe, aftermarket exhaust parts must be homologated to be fitted in a car. This law has been set to guarantee they work just like the original ones. This is why you need a trusted manufacturer who complies with those requirements. All Walker emission control parts are homologated, meeting strictest environmental regulations to warranty the maximum performance and lowest consumption. So, when you fit a Walker, you're fitting quality and keeping the engine running just like the manufacturer intended. No guesswork, no shortcuts. Simply scan the product's QR code to access all the essential fitting information you need for professional, precise, and reliable results when you need them. Follow us for more Walker real-world emissions control advice. Like, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow tech.